This is the Genesis G90. The Highway Driving Assist feature, or HDA, is designed to help the driver keep a set distance from the vehicle ahead while maintaining a desired speed limit. It can also help keep the vehicle centered in the lane using sensors which can detect the lanes ahead. HDA should only be used on select highways that feature limited entrances and exits, which can allow an uninterrupted high-speed flow of traffic. The HDA detection relies on the front view camera and several radar sensors located throughout the vehicle. To select or deselect this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Convenience, and then select or deselect Highway Driving Assist. Specific settings for the HDA feature can also be adjusted, such as the warning volume. Press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then warning volume. Note that changing the warning volume here will affect the alert volumes for other driver assist functions as well. Once the Highway Driving Assist is activated, you can see its status on the instrument cluster under the Driver Assist view. The Highway Driving Assist indicator shows whether there is a vehicle ahead and the current set distance. When the HDA indicator is green, the system is activated. When the indicator is blinking white, it is showing that the accelerator is being depressed. The set desired speed is shown here, followed by the lane following assist indicator. The next icon shows whether there is a vehicle ahead, along with the lanes that are being detected. When the HDA is being used, note that your vehicle will begin to stop if the vehicle in front of you does too. However, if the vehicle in front starts moving again within 30 seconds of the stop, your vehicle will start to move as well. If more than 30 seconds pass after stopping, the driver can resume by either pressing the accelerator pedal, pressing the plus or minus switch, or pressing the pause and restart switch. While using HDA, the driver must always keep their hands on the steering wheel or a warning message will appear along with an audible tone. Be aware that the HDA function will turn off automatically if repeated hands-on steering wheel warnings are issued. The Highway Lane Change Assist feature can be turned on if the Driving Assist or Driving Assist button is used to turn on the function. Once the Highway Lane Change Assist is activated, you can see its status on the instrument cluster under the Driver Assist view. The green Highway Lane Change Assist indicator shows if the system is ready. When the Highway Lane Change indicator is blinking green, the system is in operating state. When the indicator is in gray, it means that the system is on standby mode. When the indicator is blinking white, it is showing that the feature has been canceled. You can tell that the Highway Lane Change Assist is ready on the display screen when the green lane line is shown. During the lane change, the green arrow and shade will be displayed until the lane change has been completed. In the green indicator ready state, the Highway Lane Change Assist function will begin operating when the turn signal lever is pushed down to change lanes to the left or pushed up to change lanes to the right. However, the driver must have both hands on the steering wheel and the system detects no collision risks as well as no forward collision avoidance and blind spot assist warnings present. The lane marking must also be a single dotted line and the vehicle must be in the middle of the lane for the Highway Lane Change Assist function to operate. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.